Right. I'm back again on my channel. I'm back again on my page. I want to podcast something. I want to podcast something right now on this video. Are you a Zimbabwean abroad or a Zimbabwean at home in Zimbabwe? Either home or abroad, this video is for you. Are you a driver? Are you a motorist? You have a car, you have a motor vehicle, or maybe in general, you just want to know and understand about the Trababras interchange. I'm going to give you a detailed breakdown, a very simple, simplified, detailed breakdown of the interchange in terms of the roads. Which road, which road, which road, which road, something like that. Just a simplified, a simple, detailed breakdown of the interchange. Right. So on that interchange, Trabablas interchange, there are a lot of roads in general. That's our starting point or our point of departure. There are a lot of roads on that interchange. As you know, every interchange in any country, in any city or town, an interchange is a network of roads, an amalgamation of roads. You understand, a community of roads going to different destinations or sites or directions. So same again with that interchange, Trabablas interchange is a network of roads. But that one, the best advantage is that it's a very simple interchange. And I don't expect any driver or any motorist to get lost or confused on navigating his or her way through, or negotiating his or her way through on that interchange. I don't expect you to get lost. I don't expect you to get confused on Trabablas interchange. It's very simple. Okay, there's a road that goes into city center, Harare city center. There's a road that goes to Masvingo. There's a road that goes to Waterfalls. There's a road that goes to Chitungwiza. This ghetto location, a road that goes to Chitungwiza. There's a road that goes to High Glen. There's another road that goes to Glenora. So a road to Glenora, a road to High Glen, a road to Waterfalls, a road to Chitungwiza, a road to Masvingo, and a road that comes into city center, Harare city center. As simple as that. And on the roads, there are some bridges, to the total of 15 bridges. The way it was built, the way it was established, the way it was designed. On the interchange, there are a total of 15 bridges. 15 bridges on the interchange. But my emphasis, my point here is on the roads. Some of you, maybe you don't know, you don't understand. Well, what are the roads on the interchange? Where are they going? What are the names of the roads? What purpose are they serving? Now I'm telling you in this simplified or simple detailed breakdown, just by my mouth, my word of mouth. A road to Masvingo, a road to city center Harare, a road to High Glen, a road to Glenora, a road to Waterfalls, another one to Chitungwiza. Just as that. Those are the roads that you find on that Trabablas interchange. Those are the roads, road networks that you're going to find on Trabablas interchange. So this is the breakdown, a simple, the way I've spoken, the way I spoke with my word of mouth in this video. So are you a Zimbabwean abroad in whatever country, and you just see photos? Now you are listening to me as I talk to you through the instrument of this video about the roads on the interchange. In summary, in short, road to Waterfalls, High Glen, Glenora, Masvingo, Harare City Center, and Chitungwiza Road. We are done. These are the roads that you find on the Trabablas interchange. It was designed in a very simple way. If you compare with the other interchanges in other countries, you find that it was designed in a very simple way. It was built, established in a very simple way. If you compare, if you contrast with some interchanges in other countries, our own Trabablas, the first of its own kind in Zimbabwe, was designed, was built, was established in a very simple way. And I don't expect you, I'm repeating again for your understanding, I don't expect you as a driver, as a motorist, as a driver of a motor vehicle along the interchange to get lost or to get confused. I don't expect that. Otherwise, if you do that, I'll be ashamed of you. I'll be embarrassed of you. If you get lost, if you get confused on that interchange, a symbol, the way it looks, a symbol is that, the way it looks, the way it was built, the way it was established. If you do that, you go for my hand, or I'll be ashamed of you, I'll be embarrassed of you. Otherwise, this is the interchange. Even if you see the photos or the videos on the internet, on YouTube, whatever platform, this is what you're gonna find. Chitungwiza Road, High Glen Road, Glenora Road, Masvingo Road, Harare City Center, and Waterfalls Road. This is the summary, this is the recap. I'm done talking. Peace and sharp.